I am Homo sapiens. The Oligocene epoch, approximately 34 to 23 million years ago, marked a significant phase in the evolution of mammals. During this period, ice sheets began forming over Antarctica, leading to a cooler climate. This cooling triggered changes in vegetation, resulting in the expansion of open landscapes and grasslands. These environmental changes forced mammals to adapt, fostering the development of new ecosystems. Mammals of this time exhibited notable advancements, such as the evolution of specialized teeth and limbs, which improved their feeding habits and mobility. The ancestors of elephants, or proboscideans, also evolved during the Oligocene epoch, eventually giving rise to modern elephants. Early proboscideans were relatively small and simple in structure, but showed the initial development of trunks and tusks. Phiomia, an early proboscidean found in North Africa, was about the size of a modern pig. Its name means creature of the Fayum, as its fossils were predominantly discovered in the Fayum region of Egypt. Phiomia had a short trunk, distinguishing it from other early proboscideans. Its upper jaw featured long, straight teeth that represented the early form of elephant tusks. These tusks were not fully developed, but were primarily useful for protection and obtaining food. Phiomia is considered a crucial link in elephant evolution, with its small size and primitive trunk and tusks laying the groundwork for the traits seen in modern elephants. Moratherium, another proboscidean, was a small, semi-aquatic creature resembling a modern hippopotamus in size, but with a different head and body structure. It had a short, muscular trunk that eventually evolved into the long, flexible trunk of modern elephants. Its teeth were similar to those of Phiomia, but slightly smaller and straighter. Moratherium relied on aquatic vegetation for food and was typically found near rivers and lakes. It represents an early stage in elephant evolution, suggesting that their ancestors initially lived in aquatic or semi-aquatic environments before adapting to a terrestrial lifestyle. The order Carnivora witnessed the emergence of ancestors of modern predators like dogs, canids, and cats, felids, during the Oligocene epoch. The jaws and teeth of Oligocene carnivores evolved to enhance their hunting efficiency. Amphicean, commonly known as the bear dog, was a member of the Amphicyonidae family, which shared traits with both bears and dogs. These creatures first appeared about 30 million years ago during the Oligocene epoch in North America, Europe, and Asia. Amphicean weighed between 200 and 600 kilograms, with heavy, strong limbs resembling those of bears, providing stability and strength. Their powerful jaws and sharp teeth made them adept at capturing and tearing prey. However, scientists believe that Amphicean was omnivorous, consuming both meat and plant matter. Hyenodon, a member of the Hyenodontidae family, had a name reminiscent of hyenas, but was unrelated to them. This species first evolved about 42 million years ago during the Eocene epoch and thrived in the Oligocene, inhabiting North America, Europe, Asia, and Africa. Hyenodon exhibited size variations ranging from small to large, with weights between 10 and 500 kilograms. They were characterized by their long, narrow heads and powerful jaws equipped with strong teeth capable of crushing bones. Hyenodon was a fully carnivorous predator and a dominant apex predator of its time. During the Oligocene epoch, ungulates, hoofed animals, underwent significant evolutionary advancements. Anthracotherium was a large semi-aquatic and terrestrial creature whose fossils have been found in Europe and Asia. It is considered an early ancestor of the modern hippopotamus, with a body adapted for living near water. Maracoidodontidae, a family of even-toed ungulates, primarily inhabited North America. They are notable for adapting to grassland environments, which were expanding during the Oligocene. Their evolution helped ungulates thrive in habitats with varying grass heights and availability. Entelodonts, often referred to as hell pigs or terminator pigs, were large, omnivorous ungulates found in North America and Asia. These animals had massive heads and sharp teeth, enabling them to consume both grass and meat. Their strong jaws allowed them to chew tough meat and bones. Mesohippus, an early ancestor of modern horses, lived during the Oligocene and is primarily known from fossils found in North America. Its teeth were adapted for chewing grass and leaves, making it well-suited to open plains. Mesohippus had 3 toes, which provided stability and speed on flat terrains, marking an essential step in the evolution of horses. Paraceratherium, known as the giant rhino, was the largest mammal of the Oligocene epoch. Its fossils are primarily found in Asia. Paraceratherium stood about 15 to 20 feet tall and weighed 15 to 20 tons. Its long legs and neck enabled it to feed on leaves from tall trees. It is considered a significant species in the evolutionary lineage of rhinos. Hyracodon, a small and agile perissodactyl, primarily inhabited North America. Although it first appeared in the Eocene, its evolution continued into the Oligocene. With a lightweight body, Hyracodon was capable of running swiftly in open grasslands. It was a herbivore, feeding primarily on grass and leaves. Its agility and structural adaptations played a role in the eventual evolution of modern rhinos. During the evolution of primates, the ancestors of modern monkeys, apes, and humans developed unique traits that laid the foundation for the emergence of hominids, humans, and their ancestors. Gradual increases in brain size during this period supported complex behaviors, social structures, and communication, paving the way for the development of human-like characteristics in the future. Egyptopithecus, a primate from the Oligocene epoch, is primarily known from fossils found in Egypt, which is how it got its name. It was about the size of a small monkey and had a slightly larger brain, indicating the early stages of cognitive development. Its sharp teeth were adapted for consuming fruits, leaves, and other vegetation, showing a diet consistent with arboreal primates. Opidium, also found in North Africa, was a small, tree-dwelling primate. Its characteristics make it a representative of early simians, the subgroup of primates that includes monkeys,